Okay, so my New Year's resolution is to start a video blog, but it being the 5th of November and me being the sort of person that kind of likes to not hang around and believes really in the power of now, I've decided to start my New Year's resolutions approximately 2 months early. So, this is the plan. I'm going to post a video every day. In my work life I make videos, and in my work life I present videos, so why not in my non-work life make and present videos, and as vlogging seems to be the thing to do, a la Shaytard and various other people, I figured why not give it a go. So, it being the 5th of November, so it being the 5th of November, and me living in Southall, which is pretty much the most Indian area of West London, I think, ever. It's Bonfire Night, but it is also Diwali, so I thought I'd give you a little insight into what it's like to live in Southall on the 5th of November. So yeah, so consider this a video blog number 1 of 365, the New Year's resolution for 2011, starting on the 5th of November 2010. Enjoy. Oh shit! So this is Southall, where I live, which, as I said, is like totally Indian. So there's like loads of Hindus, loads of Sikhs, all celebrating Diwali. And the noise that you can hear has been pretty much going on for the last 3 hours, literally since it got dark. And kind of everywhere around me, all the estate, all the park, everywhere, there's just fireworks going off. Walking through the estate where I live is like being on some kind of army assault course with like live ammo being thrown and kind of rocket-propelled grenades coming from every corner. I saw earlier, when I was coming back from the train, there was like this guy setting off fireworks from the balcony of his flat, which was great. Unfortunately, I was walking underneath the balcony at the time and started filming, and then managed to watch a rocket go off that was in a milk bottle or something. The milk bottle smashed, and then the whole firework kind of exploded on the floor. So yeah, I'm going to show you around now. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up very well because the iPhone camera's a bit rubbish, but you should just be able to get a general gist of how mental the whole estate in Southall is this evening. There's another one just being set off on their front wall. Obviously everyone's well within the perimeter zone. Oh my god, and he's holding one. I'm scared. I'm staying back here. What, like Diwali sweets? Yeah. Okay. Wicked. Oh, now I'm being fed. Great. Back to the danger house. I think we're all gonna die.
No, nobody's gonna die.
Oh, yum! Nice, thank you.
Some more.
It's all gonna go horribly wrong, I can see it. I'm taking cover behind the car. The man is clearly insane.
Definitely you're not going to show this one to police, yeah?
No. I'll just put it on YouTube, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Say Happy Diwali in Hindi.
Happy Diwali.
In Hindi.
Okay. आपको दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं.
आपको दिवाली की
शुभकामनाएं.
शुभकामनाएं.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Welcome.
मेरा नाम Natalie है.
Oh, आपका नाम नेटली है? Watch it, man. It's heavy raining now.
Yes, I'm going to stop filming.